Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can do double trouble mission in Skate 4. So what we'll need to do is jump right here, do front flip. Okay, so let's get some more speed. So let's go right here. Right here, do a front flip. Then you will need to do a manual, and after that you want to do 2 body flips in a sequence, so it is hard to show. So let's try it again. So right here, do a body flip, land it to the manual, and right here you can do the second body flip. So all you need is speed and a lot of time to try it. I showed you how to do body flip, as you can see. Now try to land it and do another body flip right here, and you'll get the best sequence and all above in one sequence. So it is not that hard to do, just keep trying and you will succeed. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.